Florence Bad at 3060, staying safe in quarantine.
Yeah, look what's this, look, what's the machine?
This morning feeling fine.
That's the air ambulance. Piling rig. Clear it from my house. See it there. Not too sure what one it is actually. It's a soil mech or whatever. There's a Marin excavator next to it as well. Any construction workers that like anything, almost, well, any construction workers that view my channel, they're constructing a new Mercedes-Benz showroom in Brentford on the A4. Tesco van. Make a nice sound they do. See if we can get it close. It's a very friendly build I spoke to. I've no problem with filming it. Don't know one. They said there's a driven one around the front, a smaller one around the front. We can't see. It's behind the building. There's a cement mixer there as well. Very nice. They're making a sound like. Very slowly moving it, you can see that. Very hot day today as well. We might get, yeah. Way to spend a nice day. Yeah, it's a new Mercedes showroom they're doing. Yeah, so there you go, it's going up back up now. This is what they're doing with it now. Seem very friendly people though. We don't normally get a lot of these piling rigs there, but they normally basically bring them round. I believe it's drill out found. Ambulance. We just had the London Air ambulance go over us as well. So I don't know what that's about. Siren on the ground. It's a shame I can't see this from my house. I can hear it. access any of them, ask them to say, got an interest in piling rigs. When they were building a lot of the new houses like that over around here, they were using a lot of piling rigs. You had about 2 or 3 on one construction site at once. These are the much larger ones though. The most common ones you see are these Soil Mech SF50, SF65, and the SR60 I've seen as well. Yes, you're probably thinking, how do I know all the models? It's also something else that I like. Aside from appliances. So I don't know if they're going to be moving it to another spot now, but they're taking it all the way back up. Let's see, let's have a look what they do. I think what I might do... Yeah, he's moving it. He's moving now, see? It's quite scary when they move it. That's interesting. They are moving it now. They're probably moving to another spot. We'll go down the side road and maybe see it. But they're bringing it this way. Blimey. Alright. If they're holding it that way, you might want to go. I'm going to go down Springvale Avenue and have a look. Oh, no, it's still moving, still moving. I've got a closer up view of it. Anyone who knows about construction will be able to advise me on, and give some information on how these things actually work. So what are all the like hoses there for and whatnot. That's to take all cement oil. Well, I've not very much idea how these work. You can't see it from there, but also further down there's also like a spinning wheel. It's got brushes on it and it takes off all the dirt. Mercedes over there. They've taken down the old showroom. That's the Audi showroom there actually. So it's just a quick video of a Elle Piling Rig that was down the road at the new construction site for the refurbished Mercedes-Benz showroom in West London on the Brentford flyover. So what we're going to be doing is basically just focusing more on washing machine videos, whatever else. I'm going to try and get the dryer outside on the balcony because we've got some hot weather coming up, or some more, probably a bit hotter tomorrow. So I'm trying to see if I can get a video of that with the door open. As I said, I've got to just figure out something to put around the door. But yeah, we don't need to worry so much about venting or filtering because all the lint will just be, you know, blowing off outside. That's all. Well, yeah, and that's that. So this is a new series, these COVIDeo19. It's a play on COVID-19. I thought I'd do it while we're in quarantine. It's just, at the end of the day, you know, we can't really go out anywhere. But you are allowed one form of exercise. That's obviously considering people are going to listen to the lockdown rules. Otherwise, that privilege will be taken away from us. So a little jog down the road just to go and see this piling rig because I could hear it from my house. So I might just do little clips like this. I mean, I don't have a bike or anything, so I can't really do any sort of cycling. But I thought maybe like anything shorter than about 15 minutes will do. Maybe 10-15 minute vlogs will do, or videos like this, and it'll just basically be anything, you know, down the, like this piling rig. It could be something else, could be anything really. Yes, we also did get the London Air Ambulance, as you saw. I don't know why that was going, but yeah, I mean that'd be something to do. Just a little thing around here. So anyway, guys, I really hope you enjoyed that, and I actually kind of did find out what a piling rig's used for. It's used for basically putting in foundation supports for obviously any construction work, but there's a lot more to learn on them. So I'd like to get to know that. Yeah, if you didn't know I had that, that's another interest I like. Anyway, guys, thank you very much for watching, and don't forget to keep it supreme and go with the flow.